Hook, have you ever wondered how much money you can actually transfer to your Monzo account? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those who are new to the digital banking world. Let's dive in and find out the exact limits and any potential restrictions. Building context, Monzo is a popular online bank known for its simplicity, convenience, and innovative features. One of its key advantages is the ability to transfer money seamlessly. But there are certain rules and regulations in place to ensure the security and integrity of the financial system. Understanding transfer limits, the exact amount you can transfer to your Monzo account depends on a few factors. Your account type, different types of Monzo accounts may have varying transfer limits. For instance, a personal account might have higher limits than a business account. Transfer method, the way you transfer money can also influence the limits. For example, transfers from your linked bank account might have different restrictions compared to transfers from a credit card. Monzo's internal policies, Monzo itself may have specific policies in place regarding transfer limits. These policies can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check their official website or app for the most up-to-date information. Common transfer methods and their limits. Bank transfers, this is one of the most common methods of transferring money to Monzo. The limit for bank transfers often depends on your linked bank's policies. However, Monzo itself might have a maximum daily or weekly limit. Card payments, you can also transfer money to Monzo by making a card payment. The limit for card payments is typically determined by your card issuer. Keep in mind that there might be additional fees or charges associated with card payments. Mobile payments, Monzo supports various mobile payment options, such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. The limits for these methods are generally set by the mobile payment service provider. Factors affecting transfer limits. Account age, newer accounts may have lower transfer limits initially. As your account ages and you build trust with Monzo, the limits might increase. Identity verification, Monzo may require additional identity verification steps if you attempt to transfer large sums of money. This is to prevent fraud and money laundering. Account activity, your overall account activity can also influence transfer limits. Frequent and consistent use of your Monzo account can demonstrate that you are a legitimate user, potentially leading to higher limits. Tips for maximizing transfer limits. Verify your account. Ensure that your Monzo account is fully verified with the necessary documents. This can help increase your transfer limits. Contact Monzo support. If you have questions or concerns about your transfer limits, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. They can provide specific information tailored to your account. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to transfer a large amount of money, plan ahead and inform Monzo in advance. This can help avoid any potential delays or restrictions. Addressing common concerns. Can I transfer money internationally to Monzo? Yes, you can typically transfer money internationally to your Monzo account. However, there might be additional fees and exchange rate charges involved. Are there any fees associated with transfers to Monzo? Monzo generally doesn't charge fees for transfers from linked bank accounts. However, there might be fees associated with card payments or international transfers. What happens if I exceed the transfer limit? If you attempt to transfer an amount that exceeds the limit, your transaction may be declined. In some cases, you might need to contact Monzo to request an increase in your limit. Conclusion. Understanding the transfer limits for your Monzo account is essential for managing your finances effectively. By familiarizing yourself with the factors that influence these limits and following the tips provided, you can make the most of your Monzo account and enjoy seamless money transfers. End sharp. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.